Okay. Crochet cat. It doesn't actually show what's in here. Okay. So this is, I want to see a picture of what it is going to be. So see, Kitty Friends crochet pattern. I can't wait to make these cute kitties. It is looking so much fun, and this yarn is going to be a lot of fun to work with. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so another thing, this is for earrings I'm gonna make. See, they have these little spots to hang the earrings and bags to put them in, and that's gonna be super cool. This is for making the earrings, doing the little, whatever it's called, the little ring, putting that together. Okay, and this is swivel snap. This is for keychains, so I'm gonna be making crocheted keychains. Okay, so here is crochet chubby kitties, and here's these little kitties I'm gonna make. And no, they're not for you, Socks, but he's being cute. So these are these little tiny kitties. I'm so excited to make them, and they should be a breeze to make. These little kitties. Do they look like my kitty over there? They are black and white. So now let's go to the next one. This is another one of the same. All right, and I am so excited about Freddie the Monkey crochet kit. This is gonna be so much fun, guys. I can't wait. And of course, some cotton yarn. I've never tried this brand. I'm not so sure if this is gonna be exactly what I'm looking for. It might be a little thinner, but anyway, check back later for that. Oh, are you curious? Are you curious what Mommy's up to? Okay, so here we go. Of course, shipping boxes. This is for my business. Okay. Hello, Etsy. Let's get some business going. Help support these kitties. Help support my babies. Hey, so look what we have. Now this, I am so excited about this. You guys are going to have to see what I make with these bases, these wooden bases. So I got two different sizes. This is a 11-inch 6-pack, and this other one is, I believe, an 8. No, that was not correct. It's a 9-inch base. So I'm gonna make some patriotic bases, and I am so excited. I will have to show you all what I make with these. I am so excited about that. So I've got a lot to keep me occupied in the next little bit. I do not mind the rain one bit. I'm hoping to crochet a lot of cats. Of course, Freddie the monkey is going to be super exciting. Monkeys are one of our favorite animals. Cats are one of our favorite animals, and I'm thinking about another elephant. Elephants are my personal favorite. My boys love monkeys. Of course, my boys love cats. So now let me just open this up. I know you cannot feel this with me, but I want you to see this yarn up close. It is shiny. This is like a blanket. This yarn literally feels like just a little blanket. These little kitties, this kitty is gonna feel like a soft blanket. I just can't wait to make this. It's gonna be so much fun. Into this one this morning. So this is the one I started with this morning, and this has been so much fun. And I'm trying to remember if there was anything else. I am not completely sure. Oh, there was another pack of yarn that I ordered similar to the tan. It's a variegated blue, which is going to be really cute. It's 100% cotton, but anyway, so this is Crochet Magical Owls, and I already have the body almost completely done. So you can see this is the head, I believe, of the dark brown owl. I don't know if it exactly looks like an owl, but of course owls normally have eyes and wings and feet, so it's gonna turn out okay. Thanks for watching my unboxing video that I made, and please like and subscribe. Follow me for more knitting, crocheting videos, and comment what you would like to see me do. Thanks guys, bye.